Hey YouTube, it's Aqua. And have you ever just used a browser and it just doesn't go your way? Well, I'm here to show you how to end a task completely. So first and foremost, you can right click on the start menu and go to task manager, or control alt delete and go to task manager. However you get the task manager, you can end the task. Let's say you want to end, let's say the phone link tab, right? And you go to end task. So you just end the task for phone link. So phone link, let's say that was not responding, or the computer is just not working at all. And and you can't right click the bottom, right? You can just hit control alt delete, okay, and hit taskbar. And then you're gonna go to that application, and then you're gonna end the task, right? You're gonna hit it, either restart or end. Which one is going to say restart or end task is the same way of ending the task. If you ever wanted to see what was under the task, like if you're in apps up here, you can hit the down arrow here, and it will show you what's also running under it. So like let's say anti-malware service executable, right? But the main program is the Microsoft Defender service though. So like these all show the services that are under there, so you can see what's also running under it. Um, and then, so sometimes it has a tree. So if you right click on the application itself, sometimes it'll take you to its actual like tree of its actual details. So it'll take you to the details to see if it's running. Then if you right click on it, you can end the process tree. So it'll end all of his processes, because sometimes other applications have other things that are also on it that can make it not like end. So if you have an application, just imagine it's a tree, okay? Like the main tree root is Edge, right? But it also has the browsers, the extensions, and things like that. That's the other trees. Prime example. I'm just looking at Edge, just a hog, just a memory hog. It just has everything. But yeah, so it ends the tree. So it'll end the whole process tree. It'll just end it all. So if it never gets to that point, you can also right click, go to details, then go to end process tree or end task. Then it ends everything. And then you end process. Sometimes it says access denied. You might have to run task manager as admin, or you have to be on an admin account. Some things you just can't end, but mostly applications you can end just like that. So like Edge, you can end its whole thing, end it all. You know what I'm saying? And then it ends everything. So yeah. But that is how you end all the processes in a task and Task Manager for Windows 11. If you have any other questions, let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.